Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today is Sausage Fest here at the Galley of the Sun. We're making up about 30 pounds of kielbasa, 10 pounds of Italian sausage, 10 pounds of breakfast sausage. In fact, I just pulled some of the kielbasa off the smoker, getting it down to room temperature before I package it up. So recently on Facebook, I saw a post from a restaurant in Texas advertising that they had Alabama white sauce chicken sausage. I thought, oh my God, that sounds incredible. We're making sausage today, so we're going to see if we can't do our own. There wasn't a recipe there, so we're going to sort of wing it and find out, and you'll find out with us. First thing I need to do is get the Alabama white sauce together so it can set before I mix it in with the ground chicken. So, as always, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description. I got a cup and a half here of mayo. We love the Kewpie, that's what we always use. I've got a quarter cup of prepared horseradish. If you're not big on horseradish, you can probably replace this with deli horseradish, which is way milder than prepared horseradish. I got a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of cracked black pepper, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of both minced garlic and minced chipotles and adobo. I'm going to get all that whipped together into the fridge, and then we'll see you again when it's time to put those sausages together. White sauce has been setting up for about an hour. Let's get the innards for this sausage together. Here I have about 6 pounds of some ground chicken. We're going to put that in a bowl. To that, we're going to add 1 finely diced red bell pepper and half an onion. We also, after we diced it, put it in a strainer and squeezed the extra liquid out. The liquid that I want in this is only from the Alabama white sauce. Don't want it from anything else. To give it some more good color, I'm going to add some dried parsley. I think if I added fresh, it would be too intense. So we're going with the dried. Just enough to get some green flecks in there. Make it pretty. Because we are Galley of the Sun, and garlic. Add a few heaping spoons of that in there. Our Alabama white sauce is set up a bit. Oh, damn, it's good. I'm going to eyeball this. I'm going to start with about a cup's worth for the 6 pounds of chicken, and we'll see what the consistency is at that point. Now I'm going to mix it all up with my grubby little paws. I forgot something. Wait one. Charlotte, give me a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper in this. Yep, I meant to add some salt and pepper. I forgot. My hands are yucky. So Charlotte's helping me out. That looks good. Thank you. That's why it's always a good idea to set out all of your ingredients before you start. That way you won't forget it. You'll see it sitting there and go, Yep, that's about the right amount of white sauce. I wouldn't want to put any more in here and make this any more liquidy. 1, we're looking very homogeneous. 2, my freaking hands are freezing now. So I'm going to load the stuffer here, and Char and I are going to get this cased. So that 6 pounds yielded us about 16 sausages. I got a little crazy with some of them. Some of them are about 14 inches long, but that's okay. I've got my Yoder YS640S pellet grill set to 220 degrees, and I have an amazing smoke tube filled with pellets that's smoldering in there. I'm using fruit wood today. So the plan is we're going to get the sausage on the top rack there, let them go for about 45 minutes, come out, flip them, and then start checking them. We want to get to an internal temperature of about 180 degrees. All right, we'll see you in about 45 minutes for the flip. Alrighty, we got the sausage off the smoker, and I'll tell you, Alabama white sauce and chicken is one of the director's favorites. So she's going to be the perfect judge for this. This is our first adventure with chicken sausage.
Nice and juicy. Nice char marks on the outside. Very good. Nailed it.
All right, there you go. Once again, we made the director happy, so it'll be a good night. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.